Next, we are going to create Google quiz form. For that, make sure that your Google account is logged in, and then we have to open forms.google.com, and in that we are going to get this screen. In this screen, we have to select this blank form. When this form will open, we'll get this screen. As we are creating a quiz, so we have to go to setting, and in setting, make this a quiz. We have to switch this button on. Then again, we have to go to this question area, and here untitled form. This should be the title of form. So here we have to give the title of our form. Right now it is untitled form. So here we can write our title. Here I'm giving students quiz response. So this is the title of my form, and here we can do formatting to our title. We can select it, we can make it bold, we can make it italic, we can underline it like that, and here we can give description. Now we have to add questions. So my first question is, what is your name? So it can't be of type multiple choice. So here we will go to this, and here we'll select short answer. So here we can type our name. We have to add another question. So again click on this plus, and here we can type of another question. How many days are there in a week? So this is our second question, and it should be of type multiple choice. And here I'm giving options like 6, 7, 8, 9. Now it's of type multiple choice, so we have to click on this answer key, and we have to select correct answer. I'm saying it 7 is the correct answer. And how many points the child will get if he clicks this 7? So here we can set the point. For this question he will get 2 points. And add answer, like if he select correct answer, then there should be a message that the answer is correct, and if the answer is incorrect, then there should be a message that it's incorrect answer. So if answer is incorrect, I'm saying incorrect, and if it is correct, I'm saying correct. Save it. We'll go to another question. We'll click on this plus. How many months are there in a year? So here I'm providing options 10, 11, 12, and last option is 13. And here we have to give answer key. So for this question I'm giving 2 points if he selects right answer. Right answer is 12. Add answer feedback. So for incorrect answer you will get a message incorrect, and for correct answer he will get message correct. Save it. And one more question we will add. What is the capital of India? Now here we can type the names: Delhi, Mumbai, Rajasthan, and Gujarat. And here we have to give answer key. So again we have to give, I'm giving here points for this question. If he does right, then he should be getting 2 points. And here I'm selecting this Delhi as correct answer and add answer feedback. For incorrect answer, he will get incorrect message. And for correct answer, he will get correct message. Save. So our form is ready. We can change the look of our form. Like we can go here, and here we are provided a different option. We can change our text style. We can change our header. We can give image to it. So if you want to give image and header, so choose image, and here we can select any image. I'm selecting this one. Insert. And when we'll see preview, a form will look like this. We can go back. Now what we can do, we can go to publish, and here we can go to publish, and we can send it to our contacts. Now when they will send response, response will be collected here. We'll go to response. We have to click on link to a sheet. We can create a new sheet or we can use the existing sheet. So I'm selecting here existing sheet, select. So this is our sheet, and here we can see all the questions we have provided in our form are here. So when student will submit answer, their scores will be displayed here. So this was our Google form.